Welcome to our guide on mastering woodworking and avoiding common pitfalls. Let's dive into essential tips for success. Invest in versatile, high-quality tools. Remember, a good craftsman never blames their tools because they've chosen them wisely. The secret to perfect cuts? It's all about technique and blade selection. A sharp blade and steady hand go a long way. Choosing the right wood prevents warping and defects. Take time to select quality materials for your projects. Safety is non-negotiable. Always wear proper protective gear and maintain a well-organized workspace. Here's the golden rule of woodworking. Measure twice, cut once. This simple mantra will save you time and frustration. Planning is key. Sketch your project and calculate materials needed. This ensures efficiency and minimizes waste. Always use the right tool for each task. It's amazing how much this improves your results and efficiency. For beginners, start with simple projects. This builds your fundamental skills and confidence over time. Don't worry if you make mistakes. There are expert techniques for fixing common woodworking mishaps. Remember, every master was once a beginner. Keep practicing, stay safe, and most importantly, enjoy the process. With these tips, you're well on your way to mastering woodworking. Happy crafting, and remember to share your experiences. Ready to take your woodworking skills to the next level? Click the link in the description for more expert tips and resources.